Okay, welcome to the Sensor 360 Investor channel. So let's do a quick market update review. And so let's start by taking a look at um, the market action. So this is a 2-minute chart. We'll start with the NDX first. So we can see that a few days ago we were making an up move, and then market kind of struggled and ran into resistance, couldn't really get any higher. And so we've kind of got this mini topping pattern in the short time frame. The market then sells off, little bear flag, then we get a gap down, and from the gap down, it's working its way back up, but can't get above the swing high here. Meets with resistance, and then it's been working its way back down again. So now we have this little short-term trading channel. So and it is stuck in the middle of that. So this will need to resolve one way or the other, unless we just chop sideways. So our three courses of action are continue to chop sideways with a short-term resistance around 15.37.8, or we find some support in 15.155, or the market has to break through one of those extremes. And if we look at the broader Nasdaq, that is showing similar pattern. So with the uptrend, and we have a short-term topping action here, less dramatic than the Nasdaq 100, but we still get the gap down, and then from the gap down open works its way back up. Can't take out the swing high. Similar pattern, basically. So that's the short term. So we need resolution one way or the other. So our three options are: if we're going to be bullish, we have to get above the swing high. If we're going to be bearish, we have to break through the supports, retest, and kind of continue down. If we're just going to chop, we're just going to go through those support resistance bands. Switching over to the daily, and so just to orient ourselves, the rally low was back here, rally day one. So this is ignoring the pink rally day definitions. So day one, day two, day three, day four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it was a day 7 follow through day. And then we kind of pushed up a little bit, total indecision, end up with a negative pullback, a little bit of distribution going on there. And then gap down, finish back up, another distribution sell off here, and then the gap down. This is where we see the gap down and move back up. And then Friday, you can see that the seller's in charge. So it kind of opens and closes at the same point. They try to push it up. The buyers try to push it up through the day, but couldn't hold. And the sellers pushed it back down to where the market opened up. So that gives us a kind of another distribution day. So we kind of got a couple of distribution days in this follow through day rally now. So that doesn't bode too well for this surviving. So we've got a short-term trend coming down, and the next few days will tell us where we end up. So I believe IBD's put the market under pressure as of Thursday after the gap down. So a couple of days under pressure, but also below the 50-day moving average, below the 21-day moving average. We're still above the 100-day moving average. So now we're sandwiched between the 50 and the 100. And so that will tell us kind of over the next few days what happens. And then the other places to watch are, can we break, if we break below the rally day low, that'll be not good news. And then if we break the low of the rally, that means we're in for a little bit of a bearish move forward. So we are in a weak time of seasonally, we're in a weak time in the markets. So we have our three paths, and the one that seems to want to play out is chop and slop and chop. So that's kind of where we are from a market perspective. So let me stop there on the market review for a second and finish this up.